we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The name of the unit is Sensationnel Butta lace, and this is the Bohemian 28 inches. Is their virtually HD undetectable lace. I have it in the color 1B, but they have all different color you want. The cap construction, it has a comb on the back, adjustable strap, 2 combs on either side, and this unit is a T-part unit. I think you're beautiful. It came with baby hair. It is pre-plucked and all of those good stuff, but you can go in and pluck the units to your liking. I'll go right ahead and put the unit on. I'll turn around so you guys can see how the unit is looking straight from the pack. This is how the baby hairs are looking. I'll add my Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace. I'll go in and pluck the parting space a little more. Natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural, and even if you let your hair go, even if you let go, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So go now, you don't have to put on makeup every 'cause baby I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love. Now it's time to remove the lace. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go, baby, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. I'll go in and pluck the hairline a little more. Now I use the Got2b glue and lay some baby hairs. I am going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I am going in with a hot comb to make sure the top of the hair is well laid. I am using some conditioner in the water to spray in the hair. I am finger combing the hair instead of using the comb. It's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are. You don't have to
change, cause baby, our love is natural. Watching, they say that we won't win, yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you, so I'm ready for this.
I'll be adding the Hydrating Curl Cream from Marc Anthony, which eliminates frizz, tangles, and define curls with extra hold and added sheen. I'll leave it in the description down below, you all. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. It's only $6, and guys, I'm telling you, it's really good.
And your dad hates to hear my name, so the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. I can see the people, I see them crowding in, yeah. For many different reasons, winning every season, we're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV, I'm betting we won't lose, no, my heart is straight forever.
I am going in with the Kira Care Walk Stick to get rid of the flyaways and give the hair additional sheen.
Like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name, so the pressure is on, all eyes on us. This is our World Series game, yeah. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive. In love we play to win. Everybody's out there, everyone we know, strangers rooting for.
For a synthetic hair, guys, under $50, I am absolutely impressed with this hair. It is giving me human hair vibes. Yes, human hair vibes. Guys, you can tell me that this is a synthetic unit. Synthetic, where are you all? Unit is beginner and big head friendly. The only problem with the unit, guys, it sheds and it tangles, but it is 28 inches, so that is expected, but that doesn't take away from the unit, guys. If you're interested, the link will be in the description down below. You can go and check it out, you all. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye, you all.
My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose.